Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday. We're about to go hit the gym. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe and stick around and join the fam because we're growing and we've got a ton of vlogs flowing in all the time. It's super fun. I'm going to show you my gym outfit. Today we've got legs and then we got another busy day ahead of us, but I'm very excited for leg day. I'm like really feeling it today. So I'm going to bring you guys with us to the gym today. Wearing the green Vital Seamless because I love them. And then I was like recently just got into wearing long sleeve shirts again on leg day, so that's what I'm wearing. And then I'm gonna change into my Converse after we do like a treadmill warm up, but I still like to do the treadmill warm up in my Ultra Boost before that, and then I make the switch in the gym. But yeah, leg day, and then recently been like working on quads, so I'm pretty sure we'll do more quad focused today. Right now I am on a Mimosa pre-workout run. I really like Arctic White, but Mimosa right now is doing the job. So I've got that ready to go. Got my water ready to go. Actually, no. Oh my God, I need to fill that up. Made it to the gym. So we're switching up our leg day. So one leg day is going to be focused on squats and glutes particularly. And then the other day is going to be focused on deadlifts and leg press. So today's deadlifts and leg press. Telling them about our new, so yeah, we're only training twice a week at the moment, but that's cool. But yeah, deadlifts it is, sumo deadlifts it is. I'm only using 35s though. My weight belt still isn't here yet. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby, so live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. Okay, I'm back from the gym. I got ready to put on a running errands outfit. Really quick before I start getting to work and stuff, I need to run to the nail salon because I've had a tragic incident with my ring finger and middle finger, and my hair just keeps getting caught in my fingers and I can't handle it anymore, so I gotta go and fix those too. After that, Target's right next to the nail salon I go to Polished Nail Bar in Charlotte. But anyways, there's a Target right there, so I'm gonna go run in there. I know I went to Target yesterday, but I literally went there to get more sponges for my face and I forgot them, so got everything I needed. No, I got everything I didn't need, but the sponges is what I needed. So yeah, I'm just wearing this shirt from Nasty Gal. It's like a graphic tee, and then wearing these jeans from Rolla's jeans, and then my sandals. It's actually supposed to be kind of cold tomorrow, so I'm excited about it. Like cold is in like 70s instead of 90s, so that's like a big deal for me. I love the cold. I take that back. I don't love the cold. I love the cool. I love like we're about to be in fall and it's like 70-degree weather. I really like that weather. First things first though, I need to make food and I need to snack because I'm very, very hungry. And then while I'm snacking, I'm gonna do some quick Insta stories, and then when I get back, it's like serious work, and then it's serious room cleaning. Also, lately, I've been obsessed with Milena. If you guys don't follow her, her name's like Milena Ciciotti or something like that. Yeah, on YouTube. I think she's so real and so hilarious. You guys should look her up. She's just really cute. I just love her videos. So before I go run my errands really quick, I decided it'd probably be in my best interest to work a little bit before I end up running out. So really quick, yesterday and the vlog yesterday, you guys saw me taking some content pics, and now I'm just editing them so I can submit them in. Here, I'll show you. Usually I take them and then I edit them all on Lightroom, and everyone's been asking about my presets, but I have honestly been making my own and doing my own pictures now, so that's pretty exciting. I feel like I'm stepping up in the creative world thanks to his help. He really is just my mentor, my boyfriend mentor. But also, I'm his assistant. Am I not? Am I not the smartest businesswoman you've ever met?
Tons of advice.
Yes, tons. I told him I'll call him Tony Stark if he calls me Pepper.
Response.
Yeah, anyways, but I'm just finishing this really quick because gotta prioritize my work, and plus I don't really know how long this stuff's gonna take, and I want to like not be stressed out. So sometimes you just gotta prioritize, which is what I'm learning for sure. Prioritizing skills.
Prioritization, that's a word, right?
I don't know. Freaking Shippy Honka says again.
We're just prioritizing skills. My prioritizing.
Yeah, I think I'm a pretty good prioritizer, though. I've definitely trained myself to be
prioritize.
Good. Yes, so good at it. Freaking hire me as your life coach. I'll help you prioritize. All right, in my car, about to head to the nail salon in Target. I'm gonna see if my mom wants to meet me there, but she's probably very busy, so I don't know if she's got the time to do that. But my nails just keep on getting caught on things, and they're like seriously broken. It's just annoying me. I hate when this happens. So I just, while my video is uploading, because I have it uploading for today, I am going to go do that and then run to Target because floss is like essential, okay? Floss is like very essential to me and I'm completely out. And also so is those sponges because first of all, my skin's like very bad lately, and I don't know if it's just because of like moving and a bunch of things happen and me being like go go go. And it's not that I'm stressed out, but it's just like I have so much to do that I'm constantly thinking about what I have to do. So I don't know if that's kind of like stressing me out a little bit, making my skin break out, or what. Here for what I really need, except I don't know if I want this one or those. Plus I got my nails fixed. All good, all good. Back in the car. I'm so happy I did this because it's literally already so much better. Also, I didn't get the Real Technique sponge. I ended up getting this Eco Tools one. It was the same price, but I've never tried this one, so I kind of wanted to test it out. And then I just got floss. So yeah, that's all. Just a quick little trip. And then once I get home, I'm going straight to work. I'm gonna get my video up for you guys first. Then I'm going straight to work on my bedroom and just try and sort out some things with my clothes and my drawers and stuff, and literally try and get everything off the floor and my suitcases put away and everything, just because I hate the clutter in there right now. I just want it to look perfect so then we can like really get an idea of what we want to do in there. Because, well, first of all, I wanted to order this headboard from IKEA, but then found out that it's only for sale in Australia, not the United States. So it was really cute though. It was like a floating headboard and it had built-in nightstands, and I literally thought it was perfect. And unfortunately, they don't sell it. So therefore, I can't get that one. So I had to completely like revamp my idea scheme in my bedroom, and now I've really kind of lost and like don't know exactly what I want to do. But I do know that we're still super hard considering that, like doing our DIY shiplap wall, which honestly I feel like it's going to be a pretty fun video. We could fail miserably, but who knows. And I'm just really into shiplap right now, and while it's still a trend and while we're living there for a year or so, I like just wanted to kind of do it and do it. So that's just kind of like the update on that. Welcome to my room. So what's going on, or our room, oh my god, I always do that. So what's going on now is I'm about to fold the clothes that I washed yesterday and then wash some more clothes. I have to figure out places for all that stuff to go, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to put hats up on that wall. So that's what's going to happen all right now before we start making dinner. And I'm very excited about the hat and the wall situation. I feel like that's going to be really cute. And then shiplap wall behind me, like just like casting a vision for you guys. So shiplap wall, we're gonna find a nightstand for Colin's side, and then above this mirror I'm thinking maybe some more shelves, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. We also need to put the legs back on this because there's such an awkward gap, which we'll probably end up doing that in the next couple days. Maybe not today, just because I don't really think that we have time for that. But yeah, that's kind of just like what I'm about to do in here. So I'm gonna get to it, and I'm gonna keep updating you as I go. And while I go, I think I'm going to listen to a podcast. I started this one from What We Said, one of my favorite podcasts, but it's Tessa and Cole. Tessa's a blogger and I really like her a lot, but I started listening to it for like 4 minutes and now I need to finish it. So I'm gonna listen to this and work on my room.
Sailors, it's just you and I, exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. drinks in Ibiza. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny in Tunisia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby, so live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side.
Finished all my work for the day. It feels great. But we're cooking a HelloFresh meal. Oh, also the last thing I like panned over was me putting up my hats, but I ended up moving the command strips around, so I took them off the wall and then put them back up to have them more like boom, 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 boom. So yeah, after we eat, I'm gonna hang the hats up. I'm just letting it like sit on the wall for a second so it doesn't fall off. And then I'm gonna put the hats back up. Did you see my drawers? They looked really good. I'm really proud of them. Definitely think that looks so much better. These used to have shoes in them, but now they're about to have like pajamas and stuff in them, and they're gonna go up at the top of my closet. Those are a bunch of shoes that I like need to go through and I don't really want anymore. But I'm gonna put those two bins up here and have them have like pajamas and stuff. So I feel like that's a move. Filled up one bin. This is like such a struggle. Those are pajama tops. Those are clothes I still need to figure out. That's empty, so I can put my dirty clothes in there. So that's good. But yeah, I've got more sweatshirts in here, jeans and stuff. I'm gonna put my dirty hampers in there. That just feels right. And then those bins up there. Colin just made dinner though. Well, I helped a little bit. I did like whatever he told me to do. And then I came in here and finished doing this because I'm pretty sure he really wants this area clean. But yeah, he just made dinner and then I'm gonna keep working in here, get it done. I can do this. Ah. Colin made me a candle lit dinner with the champagne that we literally never opened, and he was just sitting here and he's like, hey, dinner's ready. Is he not so cute? He's so cute. He's the best. Oh my goodness. Love you.
I love you.
We're gonna eat this and do our routine, you know, eat dinner, watch Westworld. So far, I think it's good. But I also really like shows like this, so does he. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna eat and then I'm gonna finish cleaning the room to make him happy so my crap isn't everywhere because I think he hates it. So we love the area that we live in because we can, excuse me,
Walk very easily.
I'm gonna get demonetized for that music. Okay, anyways, so we can walk really easily to like a shopping center, and we are having an impromptu ice cream date because we were just feeling it. We feel like we deserved it. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to defend myself. I'm going to do it because I want to do it because that's what the podcast said that we were listening to the other morning.
You have no need to defend yourself at all. We've been working hard. We moved into our new place. We have not celebrated at all yet.
I know, but that podcast, remember, it said you never need to like justify what you want to do. Like if you want to do it, just do it.
Yeah, you don't have to justify anything. If you want to do it, you should do it.
So we were listening to a podcast the other day.
That we want.
That's what it said. I'm like so excited to do a video about our like morning routine.
Me too.
But that's gonna come. Anyways, it's like healthy mental health morning routine. Yeah. But anyways, we were listening.
Right,
was it a Gary Vee podcast that it was? Yep, and he was like never
feel like you have to wait to do the things you want to do. Never feel like you have to like get the approval from other people to do the things you want to do. If you
never feel like you have to justify what you're doing.
You don't have to justify things you want to do.
If you want to do it, do it. And I really wanted ice cream, and so did he, so we're doing it.
Yeah, we've been cutting and being like super on the ball lately with our cheat meal, or with not having cheat meals, I feel like. So.
Yeah, so we deserve this.
Yeah.
I'm excited for it. Made it. Walked so far. Here's mine. Here's Colin's.
We're sharing, don't you?
Look, nice ambiance. Very nice. Got on my pajamas. I wanted to show you guys, I just brushed my teeth, but I wanted to show you guys while I wash my face. I'm using this face wash currently. It's by the brand Momande. And I got it at Ulta, but it's really cool because you put it in your hands and before getting your face wet, you just rub it on and it goes on kind of like a gel and then it activates into a face wash once you put water on it. So yeah, I think that it's really cool. And then also with that, I also have been using this rose water toner, which I really like, and you're supposed to apply it with your hands, which is pretty cool. It's made to like use the oils from your fingers to like activate it, so I thought that was interesting. So, been using this for my face lotion. Same thing, and it's like a gel cream lotion, and I really like it. So I just wanted to mention those 3 products to you guys. So this is pretty much what it looks like when you put the gel all over your skin, and then you like put the water on it to activate it. I'll show you guys. I just wanted to mention it. I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase, but that's just what I've been using this past month. I still have yet to find like my holy grail face products, but I'm still in the search, so it's okay. I just applied the face cream and then done.
About to watch some Westworld.
Yes. So here's what we're going with. We've got my hats hung up. Everything is so much better. Those shoes and clothes over there, I am getting rid of some of the clothes, so I just have them in a pile so I can worry about it tomorrow. Shoes we still need to worry about, but we've come to the conclusion that we are gonna buy like a shoe cabinet type deal to go to the right of the mirror.
Bianca has like 50,000 extra shoes.
I know, we know, I love shoes. So anyways, they're gonna go, I don't know, we still need to work that out, but also I think I might throw away all those shoes that are in the, because there's I don't know, whatever. I need to figure that out. I'm gonna do a end the mirror in the vlog type, end the mirror in the vlog.
Inception.
Another merch idea. I'm gonna end the mirror in the vlog. Just kidding, I would do that for merch. That was a joke. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog so we can start the next one tomorrow because we're just doing it. So thank you guys so much for watching this one. Make sure you are subscribed and you stick around and you join the fam and you turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video every single day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. That was cute. Good job. Good timing.